This is a Greater Swiss Mountain Dog. It's one of 4 breeds of the Sennhound Swiss Mountain Dogs developed to work in the farms of the Swiss Alps. They were originally used as draft dogs for pulling carts and herding livestock and guarding homes. The breed is believed to descend from large Mastiff type dogs brought by the Romans during their conquest of the Alps. Over time, these dogs adapted to the harsh mountain environment, becoming strong and versatile workers. The Greater Swiss Mountain Dog is one of the largest of the Swiss breeds, standing at 23.5 to 28.5 inches tall and weighing 85 to 40 pounds.